Hi guys, it's your girl Lola Loves You, and I'm back with another Whitney Houston look. Now this doll is from the Miracle inspired Whitney Houston Barbie doll, so this is already easy. Her hair is already done, her face is already done, and I'm going to use this blue fabric to make the outfit. This look comes from one of Whitney Houston's iconic concerts, and I'm going to go step by step to show you how I achieved the look. Okay, for the dress, I cut out some fabric and I put some Velcro pieces on it just to hold the dress together. This is not going to be a permanent doll. This is just an outfit I'm just going to create for just this look. So everything don't have to be perfect. So I'll be back step by step how I put the dress together. Ta-da! All done. Did you guess the concert right? It's Welcome Home Heroes. I think this looks just like Whitney Houston from that concert. She looks so elegant and beautiful and well put together. I really captured the Whitney Houston from 1991. I think she looks phenomenal. What you guys think? I think she looks phenomenal. Phenomenal. Leave in the comments down below, did I do a good job? And what next looks would you like to see me do? I'll be back. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and thumbs up. Always leave a comment and subscribe, please. And make sure you like, thumbs up, and share my video. Bye.